on you right about now. Hey, Ridge Runner Radio Man, back out.
Hey, Bozo, I tried to get it on there for you, man. Sure will. Hey, Bozo, I tried to get it on there for you in a little bit, right?
I said a radio man. Hey, Ridge Runner, I said a radio man around the central coast of California. Hello, Ridge Runner, radio man, coast of California, standing by.
Bozo, that's all you right there. Hey, Bozo, that was all you right there in my radio. I'm fixing to go to Mobile, man. I'll catch y'all later. Hey, Bozo, put it on you later now. Ridge Runner, go.
No, Roger, no, get back on Ridge Runner. No, Roger, no, get back on Ridge Runner, radio man, coast of California, back reading this mail.
Oh, this guy's thinking putting on some good heat. I hate to leave it. I hate to leave it, no doubt about it. But hey, I'm gone now. God bless, be safe, and well strengthened mind.
Can't have the duck bucking camera too close, otherwise it'll kind of smear up the vision. Anyway, radio man, coast of California, on my 10-watt radio, and I'm standing by.
Interrupt my conversation with my neighbor like that. Oh, JB Stone. Oh, JB Stone. Bless you. And we're going to get this guy, make it back 10-8, get this to white shade, put this guy in green no contact on full player.
Ain't nobody but Radio Man. Ain't nobody but Radio Man, central coast of California, and I'm standing by.
These blue-footed about that radio man? How about that radio man out there? The doorknob. Old doorknob down there in Music City waving.
Well, hello there, doorknob. I'm surprised you could hear my 10-watt radio today. My other radio took a crap last night, man. I had to hook up my old Cobra 148 GTL. Doorknob, my friend, radio man, California West Side, working my 10 watts, and I'm standing by.
It's in there, too. They make it hard on my separator, but no pain, no strain. Appreciate that bump down. Good evening out there. You have a good afternoon. Old doorknob, Music City said that.
Yeah, doorknob, I guess somebody's squished my avocado-shaped hand in my 10 watts. Take care, my friend, doorknob, radio man, coast of California, and I'm back reading this mail.
I heard that one about 20 minutes. I heard that one say I sounded good out there in his pickup truck. I had about 3 or 4 of you at the same time. Making it hard on my separator a little bit that time. Yeah, I got everything back up and going. Hey, out there in the desert. I got it back up at 10-8. Took me a little over an hour. Well, it took me a little more than 20 minutes. Took me about an hour or something to get all that took apart and get it all put back together. Old doorknob down in Music City said that. That's over 3 roll in the Carolinas. Return. Break the tape.
Hey, Nancy, somebody playing the Watergate. What kind of monkey business is that? Come on.
Hey, Scratch, you read the mail. Hello. Yeah, you read.
Good afternoon, time, Thang. Good afternoon, time, Thang, radio man, California West Side, standing by.
Somebody Watergate Smokin town, but they don't know this is supposed to be top secret, and they Watergate me around. Been to all my buddies around the West Coast, all my ex-homeboys around California. I miss you guys. I mean, for doggone show. Oh, Smokin Tower, sitting right downtown, Tallahassee, Florida, gone.
Hey, Smokin Tower, why are you making so much noise around California? Hey, Smokin Tower, radio man, California West Side, waving your way, braid.
Hello, Grease Monkey up around Nova Scotia, Canada. My longtime friend, Grease Monkey, you were Smokin Tower, San Tower, said, come on. And I heard it all because
Out there, except for you, 403. You was down there, real choice. You too out there in Hollow Point. I heard you come up in there, no pain, no strain. Hey, please, I'm going to get full bean. Take me a little break. Doorknob, Music City, go.
Hey, doorknob, I'm gonna try it this way. Hey, doorknob, I'm gonna try one more time to get up here and receive real quick. Doorknob, a radio man working my 10-watt station, and I'm back reading this mail.
Oh, God, no wonder. 403-428 in Minnesota, break.
Hey, no, Roger, no, get back on doorknob. 428, I'm gonna wave a hand to you, too. Doorknob, 428, radio man, California West Side, I'm working my 10-watt station, and I'm back reading this mail.
Take time to shout at somewhere around North Alabama. You did a fine job. Hey, don't ruffle his feathers today. Oh, we ain't. We just tell him
Sometimes people whiter a little bit. Yeah, the whiter the better. That's what they say.
It may be.
I don't
know.
to catch you on the
I'm okay. I just tell him what he wants Okay. You will, by golly. Number 2 said that. Understand. By golly, okay, we're going to get back on the road with this old bus.
Good afternoon, up there in the orchards of California. Okay, good, no problem. No problem, my friend. 361, looking mighty fine. A good afternoon from Indiana Jones. Roger, Indiana Jones. 31, my bird up, baby.
Just tuned this coming up. Get ready to eavesdrop everybody. People shaking in the world of bacon and...
I think I'm going to try to hook up my Omega Force. I think I'm going to take 311's advice and hook up my Omega Force again and see if it has changed any. Shame on the mess. Me and my 10-watt radio just ain't getting out, and I'm back out.
Hey, Bozo, butter, your butter and tea, working this pinto gut down.
Hey, butter, milkman. Hey, butter, milkman. Hey, butter, milkman. Radio Man, California. Hello, butter, milkman. Radio Man, California, West Side, back out.
Butter, your butter, hey, Bozo, your butter gone now. Oh, shit, but... Yeah, good. 1, 2, 3.